Greetings, folks. Welcome to the channel again. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create a listing on Gumroad. Okay, Gumroad is a site that allows you to list your digital products. They don't sell anything physical, but you can list your digital products on Gumroad and make sales, make some money. Okay, and it's really quite simple. I'm going to go to my dashboard, and from there what I'm going to do is we'll go to products once it loads, whenever it decides it wants to. Here it'll show all my products. You see, I ain't made no sales yet. Y'all gotta buy something. Okay, but my account is relatively new. I'm going to click on new product, and it's a digital product, and the name of it is Morning Mindfulness Routine Web App, because I have a PDF as well, so I want to distinguish the names. Now we'll customize. Oops, I forgot my price. I know in the video when I was creating the app, I said it was going to be $40, $49.99. I lied. Okay, this bad boy is going to be $249.99 because it's worth it. Okay, and what did I do? I want to customize. Why aren't you giving it to me? There we go. Now, I have already gotten my title from Copilot. I've got it here in my Google Docs. Stick the whole thing in. It's going to be a very long title. Okay, now this is the web app that I'm going to be putting on Gumroad. I made it earlier today, and it's a morning mindfulness routine app. Okay, you can begin the practice by arriving without rushing, ground the body. You can make an entry in here as well, mark it complete, center the mind. You can save everything, export them, be it PDF, text, or Word. You can even print everything, okay? And from there, you have reflection. You can write your thoughts down. You can save them. You can view past reflections. I haven't put anything in here, okay? And you do sign up. It's got a light dark toggle, okay? I put in a lot of good stuff. And you have here infinite daily quotes. Okay, here's the one that it's showing. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Okay, but you can always get a new quote. Okay, and as so, you can add your own quotes. You can save them. You can save your own. Again, you can export. You can print. Same here. And it has a calendar function as well that shows the holidays that Star Wars Day, May the 4th, be with you. Memorial Day is coming up. We've got Juneteenth, summer solstice, 4th of July, Independence Day. So I've got the holidays marked. You can add an event to the calendar as well, like so. Be it birthdays, meetings, appointments, a reminder, a note. You can put the time in and a note about what it's all about, and then add it to the calendar. Okay, and I have the long form date and time with seconds as well, and this is going to be added to Gumroad. So I'm going to get I have my title. I copied it once, but let me make sure. Okay, that's fine. We don't need all of that, the rest of it. And I'm going with the long description first. And we'll put all this in here as well. That no login required is not true any longer. Copilot. Stuck that in there. Like so. And there's my description, spaced in all. Is there a logo? Nothing. Let's put that at the beginning. Okay, now, isn't that lovely? Okay. And you can give a URL. Just going to take the spaces out, but leave everything capitalized as it is. So just stick it here instead of what they created. I'll leave it like that. Now, let's see. I want this summary. I'm going to use the short description. And I use Copilot. You can use whatever AI tool you like. I use it to create the content instead of sitting here trying to figure out what to write myself. That's what these things are for. And again, screw Google with their, oh, we just take AI content, we're not going to list you. They have a lot of nerve to be hypocrites, but they have Gemini that does not work well. And all the other tools that do not work well. Okay? But let's see. Details. I'll put all of that in there. Let's go. Let's stick this in. The description. I can take that SEO optimize out. Hurry up. Take it. Go here. Get rid of that space. Now. And let's get rid of the spaces there. Tighten it up. Okay, and I was here with additional details. Stick that one here. I try to make all of my things, divergent friendly. So it's less stressful on people with ADHD, OCD, dyslexia, all of those things. Try to take that into account. And we're just going to add a few more details. I like to have at least 4, if not 6. And like I said, I had all this prepared, so this video wouldn't run as long as the build on my on the app itself. It took over 3 hours, and even when I was done, there were still a few more things I needed to do, like add the light dark toggle and tighten up a few other things. But we got it. And that works offline after first load is not true, because you gotta sign in if you want to retain all of your information. All right, 6 is great. Now, one cool thing I'm going to show you that Copilot can do. Let me get it in here. I'll do it like this. Yes, perfect. All right, now, Copilot can create an image in the size that you want, not just give it to you the size it makes it, and you have to go use Adobe Express to resize the image. So I'm going to have it create an image 1280 by 720 pixels. For the morning mindfulness. All right, Goober, quit screwing around. Morning mindfulness routine. Where that? Use abstracts. Spell it right. And symbols. Overlay the title. Title. Now, Copilot's going to do its thing and create the image in this size, and all I'll have to do is rename it. I'm going to copy this. That's the name I'm going to put on it. And then I'll have it create the same image as a thumbnail. The size they want, 600 by 600. When I did that the first few times, it didn't fill up the whole square, so I make it 700 by 700 pixels. Oh wow, you have the nerve to do it twice. I think it remembers yesterday it wouldn't make it when it said it did, so it did it. I believe it's going to be the same thing. Let's see if it's giving me a choice. Oh. Which one do I like better? Oh, you're giving me 3. All right, let's get you full screen so we can see what's really going on here. Okay, I like the rays of light coming from the sun. I like the birds in this one, and the stars. This one has birds in it too. Okay, this is the one I like. This one is taking forever. That was supposed to say overlay. It knew what I meant. Oh. Now, which one do I like? Oh, they're all nice. I'm gonna go with... Why are you making so many? It's never done this before, folks. What does the prompt say? It says an image. Okay, the moon is in that one. It's not in this one. It's in these two. All right. Going for... I like this one. Let's download it. Go to File Explorer. Change the name. It's on my other screen. Let me put the size. Okay, why didn't you? Oh, I see why. This stupid thing is at the end. It didn't take. Now, should be in business. Why do I need that extension? Oh, okay, no biggie. Excuse me, folks. For some reason, it's doing what it's doing. It's not doing what I want it to. We'll just download. Okay, I didn't change it to that. Let's see if it's going to take. It took. Now, let me let Copilot know I did the third one down. No, it's 2, 3, 4. The fourth one. Let me make sure. See, it sized it to what it asked for, the 1280 by 720. Okay, so it's that one. For some reason, I can't remember. This one. Now, create the fourth image. 700 by 700. Yes. Why are you doing this? No, create the image. Okay, Copilot is tripping because it's giving me I'm not using atoms. You create the image. These things do have a mind of their own, okay? As you saw. And I think it's ridiculous to want them to control weapons because it'll launch the nukes at the slightest wrong provocation. This is different, but they don't have to match. I've been having all my thumbnails match. That's fine. I'll accept it. Okay. I'm not even going to bother changing the name. Let's do this. It won't let me. Here. And here. Okay. Now let's get our thumbnail. There we go. Good enough. And we've got all of our details in. Now, let's see, 249, no variations. Let's have a refund policy. One thing that's great is you can copy it from something else instead of having to type it yourself. And there, that's done. The space is gone. And let's go to the top. Over here on the right, you see the preview of everything that you put in. I'll just scroll to the bottom of it because I got too much in there. And you can see a preview as well here. And it's going to tell you that it's not listed yet because I haven't published it. Any day now. Now, another thing you can do is you can set up your colors. I have this color here for the background. For some reason, it's not working. Let's not worry about it. Let's save and continue. All right, now you can upload our files. it's going to be not that, it's going to be a link. And it's morning. Did I spell it right? No, I didn't. I never spell morning right. Morning mindfulness routine web app. Capitalize that. Let's get the URL. I created a domain name for it so it wouldn't have this, although it gets redirected to this. Okay. Let's copy it. We'll stick it in there. Add link. Now, I want to see if it's going to work. Let's save the changes. You can't test it. I want to test it. It takes you there. I shouldn't have even spent money on the stupid domain name if it's just a redirect and it still shows this. Because people don't trust anything that's not a .com. Oh Lord, gotta stop writing articles like that. Save the changes again. Now I can publish if I want to, but there's still other stuff that needs to be done, like the button text and a custom message. I want to bring Copilot back in to have it do that. All right, now create the button text CTA. There's a 25 character limit, I think, and custom message. Perfect timing. Let's see. Begin your morning mindfulness. Start mindful mornings. That's too long. It's a custom message. Start each day with clear and calm. Your guided routine, reflections, beautiful design, companion for your daily clarity. Ritual. Serene interface built for calm focus. Experience full ritual system. Infinite quotes. Save. Export long for a daytime. I like this for the message. And for the button, the other two are too long. This might be too long. Let's see. It'll truncate it. Oh, it fit. All right, let's save it. Start mindful mornings. See, ta-da! And you can't share because it's not published. See, not yet. You got to publish your awesome product before you can share it with your audience and the world. So let's publish and continue. And there's still a few more things that have to be done. And it should be ready just about now. There we go. Here's my URL. Let's see. The category is going to be, should be wellness. Let's see if they have mindfulness. That doesn't make sense to not have that. All right, so it's going to be under wellness. Let's see what they have in the morning. Oh no, I know why. You're looking for a category. It should be wellness or fitness and health. Let's see. They got it. Look how many there are. Health. No. mental. Nothing? Self-improvement, wellness. Now, tags. I'll have Copilot come up with some tags. Actually, let's see what they have. Mindfulness. Mindful routine. It doesn't have anything. I'm going to do it anyway. Let's see what Copilot comes up with. There's tags. List them like this. It's not an AI tools. I have mindfulness. I can think of journal. What went wrong? Oh. Of course, I'm making a video. It doesn't want to work right. But it'll take. What else do they have? The Mindful app. There we go. Mindfulness journal. Get rid of the redundancy. Daily ritual. Don't have that. It's not a planner, it's a daily journal or routine. Let's go with routine. The other one had more, but still. What else do we have? Affirmations. Stupid thing. And then you got a calendar. Okay, you can put more, but it won't show you anything. See, so I just stopped there. And that's basically it. This is my URL. I'm going to stick it right here. I'm already organized. Okay, and we'll take a look at it, the listing itself. And ta-da! My Gumroad listing is live, okay, at $249.99. All right, it took me a little over 3 hours to build this. But again, I put in a lot of great features. There are other products on the market that don't come close to what I do. Some companies are still using old-fashioned paper products for journaling. Mine is digital, so we can save the environment, save the trees. Okay. And that's in addition to a bunch of other stuff I have as well. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a bundle. I'm going to bundle the web app. Why did it? Okay. Let's get rid of that one. That's where the mistake happened. Excuse me. with the where'd it go? Internetpreneur method. Oh my lord, it's not in here. Maybe I shouldn't have deleted that and it listed it wrong, but I know why. Let's take a look. I never put the PDF in here, did I? No, yes I did. Mindful Internetpreneur mindfulness routine. Okay, that's why you're looking for the wrong thing. I still don't see it. Well, anyway, folks. All right, let me see if it'll pop up here. Bundle. And we'll call it. That one never loaded. Morning mindfulness routine. Bundle. It's digital. The price, let's see, $24.40. Make it $200. Well, no, that's less than the thing, Goober. Think. It will be $260. So I want to select the products. I don't know what happened to it unless I deleted it with the other one. It said it wasn't published. Let's go. Ooh, it's not here, folks. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video instead of trying to figure out what happened. Because I don't see what I'm looking for. This is what I want. I know I put it in here. Let's see. Adam's URL. I must not have put it in here. Okay, folks. I kind of screwed up. And I have I know why. This is, when I built this with Adams, it kind of made it a web page. And then there's a PDF for it. This is what happened. I'll show it to you. I forgot that's what happened. Okay. Now, it was supposed to be a PDF on its own, but it kind of made it a web page with what you have to do. And you can download the PDF. And so I let this float around, and I even have a lead capture page for it. That's this one. I remember now. I didn't list it on here. I made this a lead magnet. This is free. Okay, I understand why. Okay, and here it is. This is the PDF. This is free. Well, I could go ahead and need to make another lead capture page. I know why I did it. It was to generate emails, get email contacts. All right, so folks, I'm done. You got to see how to create a listing on Gumroad. I listed my app. I'm not going to do a bundle because I forgot I did not put the PDF on here. And here it is. It's at $249. The early burnout warning system is another app that I have. I made that one with Adams as well. I got the Mindful I Am journal bundle. It has a PDF as well as an app. You've got the Mindful Internetpreneur method bundle. This is how to market on social media. It includes all 5 volumes. And then, of course, some things are separate. This is another one, the Internetpreneur Affirmations bundle. I have them listed by price. And you just have the, that has the affirmations generator as well as a PDF that has affirmations in it. We got the burnout early warning system. I need to raise the price on that. Okay, that's another web app. You got the Unfair Genesis engine. This tells you what your strengths are to give you an unfair advantage. Another one is the Night Coder edition of the AI Stability Guardrail System. This is a bundle that includes the Night Coder edition as well as the AI Stability Guardrail System. Then, of course, I have the the Entrepreneur Affirmations by itself. That's a PDF. Another one, PDF, the Mindful I Am journal. And here are the separate social marketing PDFs. And the Solo Entrepreneur's Burnout Prevention Playbook. That goes with the Burnout Early Warning System. And that's basically it, folks. These are all my Gumroad listings. This page will be in the comments below. And I do thank you for your time for spending with me as I ramble on, realizing I didn't make the PDF. And I know why. But this one is not as bad as the build of this app. That took over 3 hours. Please watch it entirely through because it's going to show you how to use AI tools. This one in particular was adams.dev. I'll have a link in the description for that as well as a discount code for 10% off any plan that you choose. But you get to see the build all the way through. And that's of, not this one, this one. Okay, like I said, I got light dark toggle. You sign in. This syncs your reflections, quotes, practice notes, and calendar events across all your devices. So you can go from your phone to your tablet to your desktop to your laptop. Okay, and keep everything in sync. Again, you got daily reflection, mindfulness quotes, a mindfulness calendar. Here's the journal. That's what normally would be on the bottom on your footer. This is how to use your privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer, affiliate disclaimer, refund policy, and about. Okay, so again, folks, I do thank you very much. I'm going to wrap it up. So please, again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more from the Node Pro, also known as the Mindful Internetpreneur. Stay mindful.